Hey guys, what's up? Quincy Clayton of Next Home Elite Realty. I'm in East Lyme, Connecticut right now, and we just put this really cool house on the market today. It is set back in the middle of God's country here, the woods, pretty private back here. And it was originally a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. We have upped this to 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, fully finished basement. Central air has been added to this home. You gotta see it. Let's take a look inside right now. Well, for starters, this deck has been completely restored, completely rebuilt. It's partially covered above, and you have some elements of it that are open, which allows you to have the plantings right around the edge of the railing, and you can really truly take in nature's best right from your porch. Hey guys, welcome home. So the living room here, everything's been done from floors to ceiling to trim, you name it, it's all been done in here. Take a look. I mean, who doesn't like a kitchen island with your butcher block countertop? Check this kitchen out. Is the mudroom, laundry room, and a full bath right this way. There's more to love once you get upstairs, where there's 2 additional bedrooms, pair of mini splits, hardwood floors, vaulted cathedral type ceilings, freshly painted throughout. Come take a look. So this basement, fully finished. 3rd bedroom, 2nd full bath, and the family room. Let's go, let's go.